Okay, today's lesson is 5.4, currency exchange. Okay, so a bank has two different rates. The selling rate is when the bank sells you foreign currency. And then the bank buying rate is when they buy your foreign money, okay? And there's two different rates because they want to make money off of if you exchange and then bring it back. Okay, so let's look at this. Example 1. Trevor's going to London, England. He needs to convert his Canadian dollars to British pounds.
Mr. Chris Friesen, pick up line 810. Mr. Chris Friesen, pick up line 810.
Okay, so this tells us that the bank is going to sell us foreign money. So we're on this side. They're going to sell us foreign money. So we go like this. 1 pound. Okay, they'll give you 1 pound for every, so where's our pound? For every $1.7666 Canadian. Okay, and then we want to know how many pounds he would get for 500 Canadian. Okay, so then this would mean you would have a multiply and divide. So cross multiply, divide by 1.7663, and you get 283.08 pounds. Okay, so now he wants 500 pounds, so how much will it cost him Canadian? So ask yourself, would the bank be selling you or buying your foreign money? They would be selling you money, selling you foreign money. So again, we're on this side. So 1 pound would cost you $1.7663 Canadian. So now he wants 500 pounds. So how much would that cost him Canadian? So now in a cross multiply, you can see that you would do this times 1.7663. So therefore, it would cost you $883.15 Canadian. So now, all of a sudden, his trip gets canceled. So how much Canadian would he get for those 500 euros that he just bought? So now the bank is going to buy your foreign money. So you need to go to British pounds. So now, for 1 pound, the bank will only give you back 16603 Canadian. So if you bring those 500 pounds in, how much Canadian would you get back? So 500 times 1.6603 is 830.15. So let's look at what happened here. So to buy the 500 pounds, it cost you $883.15, but then when you took that exact money back, you didn't get your $883 back. So the bank, they took money on your exchange. Right? The bank's always got to make money. Okay, number 2. Danielle wants to travel to buy textiles. She has 2,000 Canadian. What is that amount in euros? So she wants to take her 2,000 Canadian to the bank. So they're going to sell her the foreign money, right? So we're euros. So 1.5805. So 1 euro would cost $1.5805 Canadian. So how many euros could she get for her 2,000 Canadian? So now you can see that I'm going to have 2,000 and I'm going to divide it by 1.5805. So that comes to 1265.42 euros. Okay, Jordan goes to the bank to get 700 US for his trip. how much Canadian did this cost him? So now he's going to the bank to get US. So they're selling him. They're going to sell the foreign money. So selling US is this one, 1.334. So $1 US is going to cost 1.334 Canadian. So then 700 US would cost how much Canadian? So that means you would times those. So 933.80 Canadian is how much it costs you to buy that $700. Now his trip gets canceled and he goes back to the bank and he wants to get his Canadian money back. So now what does he have in his pocket? He has his 700 US and he wants his Canadian money back. Okay, so then the bank is going to buy his foreign money. So we got to go here. So now we're using 1.284. They're buying his US money. So for every US dollar, the bank is only going to give you 1.284 Canadian. So for 700 US, they're going to give you X. So I'm going to times those, and then it comes out to 898.80 Canadian. So what happened when he bought the 700 and then tried to return the 700? The bank took 35 of his Canadian dollars, or he lost out on the $35 on the exchange. Okay, so you're always doing one foreign is costing this much Canadian in the chart. You're always doing that. Okay, and this is the rates for if the bank is selling you the foreign money, and these are the rates if the bank is buying your foreign money.